Good morning, friends, or afternoon, whatever it is. So looky what I got today. I'm sure that somebody out there is going to recognize this lock. I have been trying for a long time to get a 576. I got a couple 570s, but I have not been able to find a 576 nowhere. And I guess Jack has got the key covered up so I can't see it. But we don't need a key, I guess, really. So we're gonna try to pick it and see what happens. Let me see. I mean, move you guys over to the side a little bit. There you go. That's a little bit loose. That's a pretty good one right there, but it falls out. So we're going to try the American one. Let's see. That there's a pretty good fit. That's a pretty good fit. The stupid mailman didn't come till about 5 o'clock tonight. I guess I don't know. It's hard to tell. Let's see what we got here. Let's go all the way to the back because the number one didn't have nothing on it. Let's go back to number one again. Oh, that might be, it felt like it clicked right there. Let's go back to number one again. Well, there you go. Now let's see what Jack has locked up for us. How's this thing here open up, I wonder? I'm going to try it from the back side. Well, there you go. Number one is 0 bitted. That's why I had to hit it twice. Number one was 0 bitted. That's why I had to hit that baby twice. It's a beautiful, beautiful lock. And I sure do want to thank Jack Fox for stepping up to the plate like a good friend, and I hope that Jack enjoys both of the picks that I sent him. He asked for an 18 or a 20. I went ahead and sent him both of them because I've never had nobody just ask if they could send me a lock. That was very, very nice of them. Very nice. And Jack, I want to thank you very much for this lock. For some reason, I just love the Master 500 series. I just love them. They're just awesome locks. And I enjoy picking them. This one right here has kind of a, well, I've picked this one here on video a couple of times, I believe. But yeah, so thanks again, Jack. I hope you enjoy the picks, brother. Talk to y'all later.